Hey guys, lilyalecia, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing Christmas nail design. Yes, it is the Christmas season, so it's time to get these videos out rolling. Now these videos were actually recorded last year, but I lost some of the footage for some videos, so that's why I am uploading them now because I just now found them. Yeah, it's crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and get this started. So I am gluing on the tips. These tips you can find from Amazon. The artificial nail bed, I just went ahead and just stuck some old tips that I had in the practice hand, and then I went ahead and took the sanding band and just filed off the shine, and now I'm just applying some tips that I had laying around, but you can get these tips from Amazon. So now I'm just cutting them down to the length that I like, and it is time for us to go ahead and remove the shine off of those tips and also blend where the tips and the artificial nail bed meets. Alright y'all, so after I went ahead and removed the shine off of those tips and blended, I'm dusting off all of the dust, and now I am priming with my favorite primer. And then now it's time for acrylic application. So I'm going to be taking this nude that I love but I no longer have anymore because I used it all up. This is a cover acrylic that I made from some old acrylic that I had laying around. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to all 4 nails. Okay, so these are what the nails are looking like after acrylic application, and these are what they're looking like after I have filed, shaped, and buffed. Now it is time for us to go ahead and start doing our design. So I wanted to try something different. I never did this before. I thought it came out so cute though, but this is my first time trying. I am going to be doing a plaid design. So I'm first going to just apply this burgundy color gel polish that I had just laying around. I actually got this from Amazon a long time ago. So yeah, I'm just applying this onto all 4 of the nails, and one nail is going to be French, and all of the other nails are going to be just solid full coverage of this burgundy color. Okay guys, I don't know if I'm going to explain this part correctly, but I'm taking some base gel and some black nail polish and kind of mixing it together so that way it's not so opaque, it's more translucent. And this is how I'm going to be doing the plaid design. Now, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to explain this correctly, but we're gonna do like kind of like a checkerboard here. So it's, as you guys can see, it's very, very, very translucent. This is kind of going to be like the base, and then I am going to go in with a little bit of a darker black, so that way it can create that plaid effect. I feel like it's better if I can just let you guys watch it versus me explaining it, because I'm probably going to sound like I don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, just watch the video and y'all will see how it will come together. Yeah, just continue watching the video. Now you guys see that I made the kind of checkerboard looking thing. I went ahead and cured that, and now I'm taking some matte top coat, because this is where everything is going to tie in together and it's going to start to look like the plaid effect. So I added some matte top coat, went ahead and cured it, and where the horizontal lines and the vertical lines meet, I am taking the regular black nail polish, the one that's not mixed in with the base gel, and I'm just going to make those square or rectangular looking shapes. That's how it's gonna look like the plaid effect. So after adding all of the rectangular shapes or the squares, I went ahead and added some more top coat, or I cured it, then added some more top coat, matte top coat, and then cured that. Again, what I'm doing here is I do see where there's kind of like some lumps and bumps in between, so I just went ahead and flipped that finger over just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth and even, because with me adding the squares, it looks like it is a little bumpy. So as you can see right here, it is nice and smooth and it has a nice curve to it. So went ahead and cured that, wiped off the tacky layer, and now I am going to be adding some snowflakes. This is pretty simple, just doing some dots, and then I'm just dragging it out to make it have the snowflake effect. And then I went ahead and just added a white smile line, really thin white smile line to make everything tie in together. And I also added some little white snowflakes on the side of this bigger snowflake just to make it look more Christmassy, and everything tied in together. It looked so pretty. For the ring finger, I believe this is the ring finger, I did the same exact thing, except for this is the entire nail versus it just being a French. So yeah, this one is the same exact thing. The only difference between this finger and the pointer finger is that this one had more room, so I went ahead and put 2 of those bigger snowflakes versus just 1. Now on the pinky and the middle finger, I decided to do some sweater nail design. So I just did, I don't even know what you call it, kind of like half of oval or half a circle. And then I did 2 lines and then some dots going on the side of it. I didn't cure this. I added clear acrylic and then went ahead and cured it. And I did it for both the pinky finger and the middle finger. once that nail is fully cured, I'm going to dust off the excess acrylic, and that is it, y'all. These are what the nails are looking like. I actually went ahead and filed the free edge off camera, but these are what the nails are looking like. I think they look so pretty, very Christmassy, and I just love it. It just reminds me of the Christmas pajamas. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Always remember to stay beautiful. Mwah!